guys, in this video, I will show you two of the best online trading platforms out there. And what I think about is the one that has the edge. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking two websites in this video. We have Prime, which is the one that you can see on your screen right now, and MeTrade as well. So I'd give you my first-hand thoughts and what are the things that I feel they are good about, and my opinion on who my go-to is. So Prime, guys, has established itself as the leading global fintech company, and they are offering innovative online trading solutions across various asset classes. All right. So compared to competitors like MeTrade, Prime stands out not only for its technological advancements, but also for its core commitment to client success, transparency, and reliability. All right, so they were established in 2015, and Prime has actually garnered multiple industry awards, such as the Best Brokerage Firm in Brazil and Best Copy Trading Platform in UAE for 2025, which is this year. Okay, so these accolades reflect on its ongoing efforts to provide a seamless and efficient trading experience. Now, Prime's platform boasts cutting-edge features like the stable spreads, quick execution, and AI-driven insights, which also ensures clients have the tools to make informed trading decisions. Because again, if you're new, if you're a beginner in trading, make sure to go ahead and check out and learn how to do technical analysis as well. That way you would be able to get as much profit as you can from your trades, using also the features that Prime also has. Now, it emphasizes forward-thinking innovation, continuously evolving its platform to meet the market demands, which also positions it ahead of competitors just like MeTrade. While MeTrade, guys, offers a user-friendly interface and strong risk management tools, Prime's greater focus on dependable service, transparent communication, and a client-first approach sets it apart. So Prime's commitment to providing a secure and transparent environment through its regulation by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, further enhancing its trustworthiness. Meanwhile, on the other hand, you could also explore MeTrade. And as you can see, they are well regulated, secured client funds, negative balance protection, and 24/5 customer service. Those are the things that I feel you guys would also be able to benefit from. And more services that they are offering are the trading strategies, trading knowledge, and their risk management. Now, if you head on to Prime, guys, and if you click on, or if you hover a mouse over the learn, you would be able to see, Prime Academy right here. You have quiz, webinar, video tutorials, and eBooks. There's a ton of educational resources that you would be able to take advantage of. That way, you would be able to learn more on trading and, of course, improve and increase your conversions of the trades that you are doing. So, guys, Prime's ongoing commitment to its clients is exemplified by its robust customer support, monthly rewards for token holders, and regular platform updates, which makes it a more reliable choice for traders worldwide. So Prime's holistic approach provides a greater long-term value for traders that are seeking stability and growth. And of course, guys, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and you could also make informed decisions as to which platform would be better suited for your trading strategy. So this is their about page, guys. I would strongly suggest go ahead and check this one out. They have a lot of information that would, again, definitely help you to understand who Prime is, what they do, and what are the things that you would be benefiting if you choose them over their competitors. So go ahead and give them a check, guys. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.